We need to be vibing right now.
All right, so this is part 1 of my PC. We should have done this for Emery's PC, but we didn't.
This doesn't we're good.
Well, this is gonna be a whole video.
This is the front of the case that's gonna be powering on right here.
This is the big glass.
You got the fucking.
This is my cousin.
You got the microphone and you got the headset jack.
We took off the case.
Side panels.
You can see side panels. Now we are going
Power supply, unit supply. Dude, we're already. Dude, they got us getting into shit so instantly. Dude, pass me power supplies. Let's open that power supply box and be very careful.
Oh, time for me to do this, guys. We'll come back. Look at this. Are we about to put in the battery supply? Mm-hmm. So check this out. This looks so cool on the inside. It's so clear. So that's what we're doing next, guys. And on the bottom stand is our process. As you can see, we're all working on something, trying to get it done, son. Explain to me. Is the back of this power supply going to be full? Are all these slots going to be full, or am I only filling in slots that I need for my computer? Like, this shit is not easy, bro. I've been working on this. What I mean, this shit is not easy. I mean, all you gotta do is do that. Bro, little shit. I had to fucking put this fan on there, put the processor in under this fan. I had to unscrew this shit, make this shit so that this shit can sit on top of this shit, and screw this shit into the holster so that it can go into the motherboard. Bro, I mean... just little shit like this. It's the little shit that makes me happy. Alright, so this is the computer so far. I think I'm doing a pretty decent... I do not own copyrights. I think I'm doing a pretty decent job. I have everything that I need in the computer. I'm just actually starting to connect it now. Okay. Oh my god! Oh.
Paint that picture, baby girl, I want no relation. Cause any nigga roll that switch. Who smokes the most dope? Who's dodging these hoes? Got cash, I need more. So I find the need more. Niggas ain't gonna talk.